Did you wake up feeling heavy? Not just in your body, but in your mind, in your breath. This isn't about pushing through. It's about slowing down, stretching out, and starting from the ground up. Let's hit the mat. Come to your knees, big toes touch, knees wide. Sink your hips back onto your heels. Stretch your arms forward, forehead to the mat. This isn't a pose, it's a permission slip to pause. I promise child's pose slows your nervous system, stretches your spine gently, and invites breath into the back of your ribs. Beginners, rest on a pillow or stack your fists under your forehead. Advanced stretches, reach longer, anchor your palms into the floor. Your day doesn't need to start in hustle. It can begin in presence. Hold for 5 more seconds. Let your shoulders melt. That just grounded your nervous system. Now let's move the spine. Inhale, shift forward into child's pose onto your belly. Place your hands on the shoulders. Exhale, press into gentle cobra. Open the chest. Inhale, return back to child's pose. Exhale, sink. Move slowly between the two. Let your breath lead. I promise this dynamic transition unlocks your spine, softens the front body, and builds gentle fluidity from head to hips. Beginners, keep cobra low. Think long, not high. Advanced stretches, pause in cobra. Breathe deeply into the sternum. Do you feel that wave through your spine yet? That's the beginning of mobility. Make it your slowest one. That just frees your spine. Now let's focus on your hips. Sit upright, knees bent, feet flat on the floor, wider than your hips. Let both knees drop inward. Then back up, switch sides. Go slow. Stay grounded. This is your hips learning to rotate, without your spine doing the work for them. I promise the stretch restores range in your inner hip capsule, prevents compensation, and reveals hidden imbalance. Beginners, keep hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, sit taller and reduce support from your arms. Did you know that healthy hip rotation reduces strain in your lower back more than most stretches do? Hold the last internal drop. Stay with it for 5 seconds. That just tuned your hips. Now let's lengthen through the side. Come to a kneeling position. Step your right foot out to the side. Foot flat. Reach your right arm overhead and bend gently to the left. This is about space between ribs, in your breath, and around your waist. I promise the stretch opens your lateral core, improves spinal mobility, and helps your breath travel deeper. Beginners, keep the bottom hand on your hip. Advanced stretches, reach further with the top arm and hold, or swing your arm gently. Do you feel the stretch between your ribs and your hip? Breathe into that space. Five seconds longer, then switch sides. Left foot steps out, left arm reaches up and over. One side may feel tighter, and that's the one holding tension from yesterday. I promise this kind of movement rewires how your spine responds to stress. Beginners, support yourself with the lower hand. Advanced stretches, reach long and gently swing your arm, making big circles with each exhale. Can you stay perfectly straight and stretch 10% further with just your breath? That just cleared your side body. Now let's close with full body quiet. Sit tall, legs extended in front of you. Inhale, lift your arms, exhale, hinge forward from the hips. Let your arms fall, let your head rest. This isn't a test, it's a release. I promise, this pose lengthens your hamstrings, decompresses your spine, and tells your entire system it's safe to begin again. Beginners, bend the knees and hold your shins. Advanced switches, reach past the feet, close your eyes, and breathe. You're not just stretching muscles, you're building rhythm for the rest of the day. Hold this stillness. Can you soften your breath and your thoughts? That's not just flexibility, it's focus. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts that clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends, all delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your 3-day reset. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with the full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.